guys, welcome back to our channel Tech Tube. Today in this video
You're the guy.
I'm going to show you guys how you can change the password in your Netflix. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or anything like that, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now, without any further delay, let's just get started. So let's say you're having a problem in your account. Many users are just using your account without any permissions, so you need to change your password. So how you do it? Now let's just learn it. First thing first, just log in with your account and your Netflix app or Netflix website, and then choose the profile you used to watch, and then from here just go to on top right corner on your profile and then go to account, and then over here you'll be having security option on your left, and from here just go to password. And now firstly just have your current password and then new password up to 60 characters and re-enter your password. If you want to sign out of all devices, just check this box, or else just have it blank and then save it and your password will be changed. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.